Welcome, welcome, welcome to my new home, you guys. Welcome. Okay, so let's just get straight into it. So this is the entrance. Go in, you go out, and yes, I do have some of my furniture here just in case, you know. So yeah, this is the entryway, in and out, and let's get to it. So for starters, I do have a 4-bedroom loft. So let's get into the first bedroom. Now this is the first bedroom. And even though my place does have really good natural light, I just want to turn on the light so you guys can get the full shebang and everything. So this is one of the rooms, and all of the rooms do have high ceiling fans, and which I really love. Let's go to the second one. This is the second one. Super dope. So I'm gonna go inside so you guys can get the full view of the room, so you guys can see just how really big they are, because they are really spacious. So this is the second room. I am so obsessed. Like, how industrial is this? This is a loft, okay? This is a loft. This is just gorgeous to me. So let's go to the next room. Another one of my faves, simply because of the wall. I love the layout of this room. I love how we have like a curved wall. Like, this is perfect for a bedroom. If somebody wanted to make this their actual bedroom. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. So this is the third room. And we're going to go to the last room, which is my absolute favorite, and you guys will see why. Welcome to my closet. Y'all, the visions that I have for my closet is out of this world. I am so happy to take you guys along with me during this journey because, woo child. So yeah, this is the closet. As you guys can see, the setup already is about to be so lit. So lit. So yeah, this is the view from inside of the closet. So you guys get a picture of how big these rooms really are. I love it. Oh my goodness. So in love. And here we are to the living space. So my place does come with a washer and a dryer. Major plus, fire, okay? And yeah, and this is the kitchen. So as I did state, I will be doing a lot of home improvement, in which I already started. It definitely did come with a stove, but I took the stove apart and I bought a new one because we're gonna change this whole scenery, baby. But that's next videos to come, okay? But anyway, let's get into the bathroom. So this is one of the bathrooms. Nice bathtub, and yeah, nothing too crazy, very cute and simple. You know, very nice. And then we're gonna go to the second bathroom. Hey y'all, this is another favorite part of my place, but this is the second bathroom. Very cute, simple, nothing too extra. And here is my favorite part of my place, this mirror, you guys. Like, I'm so obsessed. This is insane. This is insane, but look at this. This is insane. Y'all, I'm building a stripper pole right here, okay? Stop playing with me, stop playing. Oh, we so lit. And as you guys can see, my stuff is here. Okay, I still have so much, well, I'm not gonna say so much stuff, but I do still have some stuff in New York that I have to bring here, so yeah. So this is, yeah, the living room area. As you guys can see, I showed you guys the wood floors, just absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, let's get into these windows. Now, the lighting in here is just amazing, so I'm gonna really have to give you, hold on. I need my thing to focus, come on. Can we not do this? It is so bright in here that it just refuses to focus. But I hope you guys get an idea. Yeah, this light is so freaking bright. The visions that I have for this place. Oh man, God is so good. And can we appreciate the brick? Hold up, like, let's get into it. Let's get into it. let's get into it. This is what I appreciate. And the only thing I would have to do if I wanted to freshen the brick is give it a heavy power wash. That's the beauty of this building. Hold on, let me get a good, okay, it's focused. I hope it's really focused for you guys. But let's, like, look at this. Y'all, I'm obsessed, okay? This is a canvas for me. This is my personal canvas. I feel like me videoing this, it's not even giving it justice. But you guys get the view, right? Look at this. This is truly a canvas for me. You guys don't even understand. And if you know me, you know I'm a cook. So the way I'm going to give myself a whole new kitchen, like I'm gonna build myself an island from this wall itself, okay? Y'all, we got some work to do, but this is it. I am so grateful. I am so like happy. I'm so blessed. And I overall hope you guys liked the tour. You know, it's not really much to it because it's a huge space, but I think the home improvement is what's gonna make everything so much better. Like, can we get into this actual industrial loft? Like, when I want a loft, if I ask for a loft, this is what I want. This is my dream apartment, and not only is it a dream, it's a canvas, y'all. Like, I cannot stress that enough. If you're a visionary, this is perfect. And yeah, I have this huge little thing over here. I love it. I'm so obsessed. Y'all, I'm almost walked into this one time already. I need to, ooh child, be careful on a drunk day. But yeah, this is it, you guys. I hope you guys like my little space. Okay, well, big space, but you know.